Here's how to curve text in Word. So curving a text in Word is very easy and simple. So make sure you watch this video till the end to find out how you can do this. So first of all, go to Word. When you're here, let's say you have a blank document or you're already working and you want to make your work aesthetic. So go to Insert and go to Word Art and select your word art just like that. Make sure how much size you want, just like that. And after doing that you have to go to warp text and you have to click on behind, and after that you have to go to text effects and go down until you see transform and click on this, and you can do as much as you want just like that, or you can even do this rotation. You can do any type, but you want to curve it, and this is the simplest way to on how you can curve it. So yeah, that's basically it on how to curve text in Word. So I hope I helped you guys out. Peace.